how to travel to the Caribbean for under $500. Let's go. Going to floor 4, room 7 million. Pro tip here, just ask for the upgrade. And he goes, all right, let me go see. Comes back, boom. We got upgraded to a beach front balcony. That is what 50 bucks a night, all inclusive, food, drinks, everything like that gets you. So there are a lot of things to do here for free. You can play basketball, you can play chess, you can play ping pong.
They got a casino too. That's not for free.
Though. Honestly, this beach is fucking gorgeous.
So pretty, dude. I can't even like, I don't even remember it being this beautiful.
Punta Cana. What's up, baby? Take me to dinner.
XOXO.
Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me?
It's day 2, it's my birthday, and what are we doing?
We're going out to dinner.
We're going out to dinner. Let's fucking go. We just sat down at the Italian restaurant for dinner. We got some fire bread so far. So she asked which one was better, so they brought out both.
Beef tenderloin with truffled mashed potatoes, I believe, and fish. Something that I don't know how to pronounce, and rice.
And I got lasagna. That was anticlimactic.
Cheers, happy birthday.
Cheers. And for the final course, we got some desserts here. Tell me your favorite part of this vacation so far.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Weather. What's your favorite part?
My favorite part of this entire vacation is being with you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. This was supposed to be the cheapest vacation we have ever had. We spent under $500 a person, all inclusive. Whoo! Drinks, food, flights, everything. About 50 bucks a day. Can you believe that? But guess what it turned into? Ash, tell me what it turned into.
It turned into
They got a casino too. That's not for free. No, I mean that'd be sick. I'd love to gamble all with someone else's money. But you could win some money.
It turned into stumbling down to the casino and losing $10,000.
So basically what we're trying to say is our cheapest vacation turned into our most expensive vacation. One of the great things about being in Punta Cana is all the different excursions you can do. Of course, it's not part of the package. You do have to pay a little extra. So today we paid 50 bucks for this excursion. What we're gonna do is we're gonna drive ATVs through the woods, which is gonna lead us to a cave/waterfall. I'm excited, and let's get ready to go. 3, 2, 1. Cheers! We're on our way to dinner. We are how many minutes late?
About 20 minutes late. We're not gonna get any food, by the way.
We're late.
To Cleo.
Cheers to
Cheers to Cleo.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. 33. 33.
33 never okay. Thank you.
Gracias. Arriba.
Abajo. El Centro.
I'm fucked up. This was our very first video. We're going to continue to get better and better with each video we make. So if you did like this video, please hit the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Also in October, we are going to be traveling to China and Thailand. And we're going to do all that for under $400. That includes airfare, believe it or not. I'm sure we're going to spend a little more there, just like we did on this last trip. But we're gonna do a ton of traveling in between that. So if you did like this video, subscribe. I'm gonna be posting a bunch more. So let's get it.